Why is fire so important? So, five fundamental elements of universe: earth, air, fire, water, and space. We are also part of this universe from cosmic level to cellular level. Now, one thing which in nature I can say it's common or comparable to fire, which is sex. Both gives warmth, light, and takes you upward. Means reproduction allows you to do your duty for nature. Nature don't like virginity. Nature want to reproduce perpetually. And the fire flame also always goes upward. The gravitational force is not applying to the fire flame. Now, on flip side, if both are uncontrolled, it can create lots of problem, from Bill Clinton to Tiger Wood. Uncontrolled and lots of problem, whether the fire in California or any high rise building, lots of problem. So we have to be selective for using fire. Fire is not only just to cook food. We cannot indiscriminately cook every food. Food, if you take it in raw form as nature intended, it will be better for nature and for you.